Welcome to Easygolife, where we simplify digital success, explore cutting-edge tech, game-changing marketing hacks, and more, crafted to inspire and empower every generation. Let's innovate and thrive together.
Welcome to Easygolife's web development series. Whether you're just getting started or looking to sharpen your skills, you've come to the right place. In this series, we've packed in everything you need to know to build amazing websites, from the basics of HTML and CSS to advanced topics like API integration and deployment. Each video is designed to be practical and easy to follow, giving you hands-on experience with real-world examples. We've made sure that no matter where you are on your web development journey, there's something valuable here for you. By the end of this series, you'll have the knowledge and skills to create your own projects, from a simple blog to a dynamic, data-driven web app. So stick with us, because what you'll learn here could be the foundation of your next big idea. And don't miss our next video, where we'll show you how to take everything you've built and make it live on the web. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Here's a quick look at what we'll be covering in this series so far. Introduction to web development. You will get to learn, starting with the basics of web development. HTML, structuring your web pages. You'll discover how to learn how to build the foundation of your web pages. CSS, styling your websites. You'll master the skills to master the art of making your websites visually appealing. JavaScript, adding interactivity. You'll develop the ability to bring your websites to life with dynamic elements. PHP, server-side scripting for dynamic content. You'll become proficient to connect your website to a server to display dynamic content. Bootstrap, building responsive websites. We'll guide you in creating design websites that look great on any device. React, creating dynamic user interfaces. You'll become proficient in building interactive UIs with React components. Fetching and displaying data. You'll explore how to learn how to connect your site to external data sources. Deployment, making your website live. We'll help you understand how to take your website live and share it with the world. And don't miss our next video, where we'll show you how to take everything you've built and make it live on the web. Ready to get started? Let's dive in.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more exciting content on tech, inspiration, and lifestyle, make sure to subscribe and join our community. Got a topic you want us to cover? Drop a comment below and let us know.